I'm your host, Melissa Albert with The American Dream, and this is Living in Kentucky. Today we are on beautiful Barren River Lake, located in between Glasgow, Scottsville, and Bowling Green, Kentucky. And I'm going to show you some of my favorite spots on the lake where you can relax, enjoy a stay, or grab a bite to eat and a drink. Come with me as we explore more about what makes this lake such a great place to visit.
Nestled in the rolling hills of south central Kentucky, Barren River Lake spans over 10,000 acres and offers a scenic escape for outdoor enthusiasts or year-round living. Perfect for boating, stocked with terrific fishing, and many locations for lakeside relaxation. This gem is located just a short drive from Bowling Green in between the towns of Glasgow and Scottsville, Kentucky, making it an ideal destination for both adventure and tranquility.
It's been so much fun being able to be out on the water. Let's go check out a great spot for an Airbnb.
Do you ever think about the time when we were young?
Barren River Lake is home to year-round residents and short-term rentals alike. Today I'm going to take you to Smore Paradise and see some of what makes this rental so special.
Nestled near Barren River Lake State Park, this modern A-frame was recently remodeled and offers a perfect blend of comfort and adventure. With 2 bedrooms, an open living room, and a kitchen filled with natural light and charming accents like exposed beams and a Sputnik light, this retreat invites relaxation. After a day at the lake or exploring one of the nearby charming communities, unwind in the game room or outdoor by the bonfire, perfect for roasting marshmallows and making s'mores.
The short-term rental A-frame was adorable, but now we're going to meet the owner of Rusty's Lakeside Pub. Now this is a favorite amongst locals and visitors alike. Let's go check it out. Now y'all are one of our favorite new spots on the lake. Tell us a little bit about what inspired you to want to open this great location.
I live here at the lake and I love Barren River Lake. It's like a little hidden gem. It didn't have anywhere to go, no nightlife at all. So when Allen County went wet a year ago, I bought this building here from my uncle and did a full renovation on it, and now we have Rusty's.
And you've got some amazing items on the menu. What's your favorite?
My personal favorite is our hot honey chicken sandwich. It's got our signature buffalo sauce on it, drizzled with hot honey. It's to die for.
Oh, I love it. And you got some really cool menu items for drinks too.
Yes, we got our dark and stormy strawberry, our blackberry mojito are really popular. Bourbon summer slush is our top seller.
You have such an incredible local vibe. Obviously, people are responding. You're packed.
Yeah, that's every weekend for us. We're busy.
Love it. And what kind of events do you have coming up?
So every weekend we do live music. Tonight we have the Dad Bods local band. We do that every Friday and Saturday. We have different live music.
Let's go check out some of that food. It sounds delicious and you got me hungry.
Awesome. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm hungry too.
All right, let's go.
Sounds good.
Thank you for joining me on this amazing tour of Barren River Lake. We got to experience some delicious food and some of the sights and things that make Barren River Lake such a special place to visit. Until next time, I'm your host, Melissa Albert, and this is The American Dream.